Ang sad na nakulong si Looney. It's sad kasi it was all fun and games until totoo pala talaga sinasabi ko. Because, people will never ever believe in me kasi I am just a human. I do mistakes. Tulad niya kay Bea at kay Kong, I've always done a lot of mistakes, both of them. Mali yung inisip ko sa kanila. But then, mas marami pa rin ang tama. Halos 80% na sinasabi ko, 90% I did. And it happened. That's why I am Nostradamus. Nostradamus is dead. Fuck him. Si Nostradamus nang nandito, I do predict things. Because, yung mga sources ko literally, they are right. But then the only thing though is kapag yung mga netizens na lumalapit kay Makagagot nagme-message and they just can't prove anything and then nag-iinit ng ulo ko, putangin na, But then, ako sobrang respeto ko kay Mike Swift. In fact, maglalaban kami ulit. Lalaban ulit si Makagagot dapat sa sunugan this March. I've talked to Mike Swift literally 3 weeks ago. Pumunta siya sa opening ng resto ni Makagagot. I really respect it. Anong tawag dito? Gusto daw ni Looney manahimik na yung argue na yon, ayaw na ng shit. I respect Mike Swift. Meron kaming shit ni Looney, but as I told you, mga kahombre ko, this is just fun and game. Me and Looney, in real life, we are friends. Alam niyo, mga kahombre ko, alam niyo, ganito kasi yan. Okay. Gusto kong i-mentor ni Looney. Gusto niyang maging mentor ko siya. And I said, yes. Ayan ang totoo dyan. Okay, Looney, sige. I-mentor mo ko. Baka sakaling gumaling ako sa pagrarap. But then, mga kahombre ko, magkakaroon siya ng laban sa isang Russian, di ba? Sana, ngayong December. But then this happened. So, he needed support. But then, alam niya na para makakuha siya ng mas matinding atensyon, he told me this. We talked about this. Na kailangan at least, gusto niya magpainit. But in this case, ang pagpapainit is ako. Ako yung magpapainit sa kanya. Anong way para painitin ang pangalan niya? Siyempre, yung magbabuyan kami online. That's it. The truth of the matter is, this is just a game. This is a total game, mga kahombre ko. May mga bida, may mga kontrabida, may mga villain, may mga superhero. Ako yung villain, ako yung kontrabida every single time. And that is the part of me in this circle of life in social media. Because we need it. But then in real life, I am never like this. Una sa lahat, hindi ko kayo para, alam niyo, like, kunwari minura ko si V, kunwari minura ko si Looney, kunwari minura ko si Kong. I am not against the guy who's watching this video. I am against that particular person. Kung susuportahan niyo yung tao na sinasabihan ko lang, it's so good. But then, kung murahin niyo ako, it doesn't matter to me. Kasi, wag lang ako magbasa ng comments. It's all finished, right? It's nothing like this, man. This is social media for you. Marami, ako rin ako sa mga kahombre ko. Ayan yung totoo. This is reality. Now, the thing is this. Marami, ako rin ako sa mga kahombre ko. Ayan yung totoo. This is reality. Now, the thing is this. Looney wanted to, literally, put this thing sa malaking mark. Marketing. Ito yung marketing strategy, mga kahombre ko. If you are a businessman, then you know what I'm saying. Kasi, ano ang pinakamagandang marketing strategy para bumenta yung laban nila ni Oxymiron? Makagagawa sa akin. Yung idis ko siya ng idis. Yung sumagot ako ng sumagot sa mga sinasabi niya sa akin. In fact, kita nyo, pinag-uusapan namin yan. It's just all game. It's just a fucking game. But then I told you guys, it's all fun and games. This eventually go down. Tulad ng nangyari sa kanya. He is in jail. Kasi may ginawa siyang something wrong. You know, you can just fuck around with the police. You can just fuck around with the government. You should be respecting our government kasi nandito ka sa bansang to. Hindi mo naman pwedeng sabihin na nahulihan, hindi siya nahulihan, hindi totoo, illegal. Basta mo, corrupted siya, corrupted ikaw. But then he is in jail. So he's done something bad. Right? We're not into politics. I will never ever go with that thing anymore. Kasi you guys know what happened to me a few years ago, man. Nung nagsimula akong itis ang politiko, you know, I was almost fucked up. You guys know my story. So dumating ako sa point na, so nakita ko, syempre, yung totoo dyan, naawa ako kay Looney because, you know, Mike Swift came here not just for my match against sa Sunugan this March, but then gusto niya ng isang maganda na concert, parang Sunugan Kalye, dito sa restaurant ko, kung saan darating daw yung mga rapper para kumbasakan suporta kay Looney. Kasi malaki-laki daw yung pangpiyansa ni Looney na kailangan ni Looney para mapiyansahan siya and all that. Yung restaurant ko na mismo ang gusto niyang maging venue kasi para libre lang, you know, for us to make this happen. Sabi ko kay Mike, it is okay, bro. We can do this around December para naman mas maraming tao. Then it's gonna happen, you see. Kasi, you know, yung movement ng hip-hop, yung suntok ni OG Sacred sa akin, Psychedelic Boy, si Price Tag, at the end of the day, we are friends. Ayun ang rin to. At the end of the day, we know each other. At the end of the day, we chat. At the end of the day, it's just a fucking circle, man. Hindi naman, pero totoo yun. Sinapak ako ni OG Sacred, that's real. But then at the end of the day, it's all a big business. It's a business, mga ka-hombre ko. For those who doesn't know, this is just a business. Alam niyo yun. Business to. Like, for example ako, makagago ko sa nagtayo ako restaurant. Ang business ko ay food. Oh, hindi ako kilala sa foods. So what I'm doing is I'm going sa Kenny Rogers, loloko-lokohin ko sila sa live ko, mas malaki yung chicken ko dito. Pagpapapansin yun, that's another way for you to be in the game. You know, and then the marketing works. Ang daming mga taong na kumakain sa restaurant ko for that. And, you know, doon mo papatunayan. Kapag ka maraming mga taong kumakain sa'yo, doon mo papatunayan na magaling ka talaga. Na masarap talaga yung food mo. You know, mga hombre ko kasi, it is tough. Kasi ang mga taong nanunood dito, we don't know the age limits. But, you know, you need to be at least 2 steps ahead sa, if you wanna be a businessman, if you wanna be in this game, if you wanna be a YouTuber, if you wanna be in this fucking social media game, you need to be 2 steps ahead sa mga tao na 2 steps ahead lagi sa mga nanonood sa'yo. You know, bakit ako laging galit? Siyempre, para pansinin ako.